She threw her pillows in the air till feathers fluttered free. She wanted to see Santa and make him a cup of tea.
Around 7,000 people gathered in Hanley town centre to follow the story of Ava and her quest to save Christmas. The audience followed Ava as she soared over the skies of Hanley, looking at local sites including Fenton and Bet 365, before seeing the Christmas Dream Machine make presents for all the children. The display finished with Ava and Santa turning on the lights. Over in Stone there were live performances, fair rides and Joe Clark, who along with the Mayor of Stone switched the Christmas lights on. Libby Lovell, Staffs Live.